You are not who you think you are. It might sound like a movie plot, but it's true. Everything you've been told about your reality is incomplete. You are much more than you realize. You are a creator. You are the universe itself. When it comes to shaping your reality, you hold the power. Imagine if I told you that everything you are experiencing right now, everything you have, and the situation you are in, has been created by you. It may seem unbelievable, but that's the essence of manifestation. You have the power to create your life and attract whatever you desire. Think about your name for a moment. Those are just 2 words given to you by your parents. So, if you are not your name, then who are you? You are not just your body. Have you ever heard anyone say, "I am hand," or "I am leg"? No one says that, right? No one ever says, "The body isn't coming to work today," or "The body is sick." That's because you are more than just your body. So, what are you? You are like a giant magnet, similar to those little fridge magnets. You are a magnetic field. This fascinating photography technique, perfected by Simeon Clay, captures the energy radiating from the human body. Imagine seeing that energy. It's real. Your cells are just energy moving at a high speed of vibration. You are more than just a name and a body. You are energy, a powerful magnetic field. Understanding this is crucial to unlocking the power of manifestation. By realizing that you are energy, you start to see how your thoughts and feelings can attract or repel experiences in your life. Embrace this idea, and watch how your perception and reality begin to shift. Your brain is constantly buzzing with electrical activity. It's basically a generator of energy. And your body? Think of it as a broadcasting tower for that energy. So you are a giant electromagnetic field, a huge magnet. Ever thought about how a magnet works? It has this invisible field around it that either pulls things toward it or pushes them away based on its polarity. Imagine 2 magnets that just won't stick together, no matter how hard you try. That's because of their electromagnetic fields. You are like that too. You are pure electromagnetic energy, and your brain is always sending out this energy. This ties into the law of attraction, which is always in action. Quantum physics tells us that at the smallest levels, atoms and particles don't behave the way we expect. They are in a state of potential. They can be here, there, anywhere, and even disappear and reappear. Scientists discovered that simply observing these particles changes how they behave. This is known as the observer effect. So, by observing and focusing on certain aspects of your reality, you can actually influence them. This is a key part of manifestation. Understanding this can help you use your thoughts and focus to shape your reality. Your consciousness acts like a giant magnet. Yep, it's true. Your thoughts and feelings are constantly pulling things toward you or pushing them away. Think of yourself as a giant cosmic magnet. Most of this magnetizing happens subconsciously, through patterns you might not even realize are there. The law of attraction is all about this magnetic energy. It says that energy attracts, so the energy you put out into the world is like a personal electromagnetic field around you. This field is always pulling and repelling things based on the energy you emit. Imagine walking into a room and feeling a certain vibe. That's your magnetic energy interacting with everything around you. It's like having an invisible force field that's always working, even when you are not aware of it. By understanding and focusing on this, you can start to control what you attract into your life. Want more positivity? Put out positive energy. Want to achieve your dreams? Focus your thoughts and feelings on those dreams. This is the power of manifestation in action, and it all starts with realizing you are a powerful magnet. What you think, feel, and believe sends out vibrations or frequencies that draw similar energy back to you. That is what the law of attraction is. Even science backs it up, because every thought and emotion you have sends out a specific vibration. If you ever wonder if this is just New Age talk, think about how you feel joy or fear. These emotions are electromagnetic signals traveling through your nervous system and brain instantly. Your nervous system is like a translator for these vibrations, which we recognize as different feelings and emotions. Now, how do you see, smell, taste, touch, and hear? These senses are just interpreting vibrations. The sound of music or voices, it's just vibrations that your brain interprets as language. Colors, they're vibrations that appear as different colors to us. Think about magnets for a second. Imagine you have the same magnetic force around you. The state of your magnetic field, whether it's positive or negative, depends on your thoughts, emotions, and subconscious programming. This magnetic state is what dictates everything happening in your life. And by understanding and controlling the vibrations you send out, you can influence the experiences and situations you attract. This is the essence of the law of attraction and a key to mastering manifestation. When you are in a high-vibe state, you can attract happiness, success, more money, and good opportunities like a magnet. When your energy is positive and high, your magnet is aligned with the things you want to attract. On the other hand, when your energy is low, it doesn't matter how hard you work or what secrets you know, you'll end up pushing away what you want. So how do you become a magnet that attracts whatever you desire? It all comes down to mindfulness and awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. Are you focusing on positive or negative things? Think of yourself as a magnet. What are you pulling toward you? What are your thoughts creating? What are you pushing away? Are you in vibrational harmony with more money or the opposite? Attracting your soulmate or the opposite? Abraham Hicks says that everything is two things: what you want and the absence of what you want. You might want money, but if you are repelling it magnetically, you won't get it. You can always check in with how you feel to determine what you are manifesting. Sometimes we get caught up in the chaos of the day and aren't aware of our thoughts. Just ask yourself, am I in a fear-based state? If so, your subconscious has likely taken over. And trust me, no one wants that. Your habits, thoughts, and emotions are mostly controlled by your subconscious mind. This means your subconscious acts as a magnet, attracting experiences based on these ingrained patterns. Even if you consciously want more money or success, visualization works by influencing your subconscious mind in a way that demagnetizes old negative programming, those limiting beliefs and doubts that have held you back. When you vividly imagine your goals as if they're already achieved, you're realigning your magnetic state with a new set point of attraction. This new set point is in harmony with your desires, making it easier for you to attract the opportunities, people, and circumstances that will help you achieve your goals. By consistently practicing visualization, you effectively reprogram your subconscious mind to focus on what you want, rather than what you fear or lack. This shift changes the energy you emit, drawing positive experiences and outcomes into your life, like a magnet attuned to success and fulfillment. Emotional regulation is another crucial step in mastering the art of manifestation. Maintaining positive emotions helps you sustain a high vibration, which is essential for attracting the experiences and outcomes you desire. It's important to remember that the goal isn't to suppress or ignore your emotions, but rather to channel them in a way that supports your growth and well-being. One powerful way to do this is through the practice of gratitude. Each morning, take a few moments to write down 10 things you're grateful for. This simple yet transformative exercise can help you polish your internal magnet, making it more effective at drawing in what you desire. Gratitude shifts your focus away from what's lacking in your life and instead highlights the abundance and blessings you already possess. This shift in perspective not only boosts your mood but also enhances your magnetic field, aligning it with positive energy and higher vibrations. Remember, your thoughts and emotions are like a continuous broadcast, constantly repelling or attracting things into your life. By consciously understanding and managing this process, you gain greater control over what you manifest. The more you cultivate positive emotions and gratitude, the more you'll notice how effortlessly your desires begin to materialize. This practice of emotional regulation, combined with gratitude, is a powerful tool for creating the life you envision. If you enjoyed this video, Please like it below and subscribe for more. Leave a comment saying money loves me, and I am a money magnet. See you in the next video.